now for one of the big boys. The Meyer Sound 900 LFC is a 3100 watt, 18-inch powered subwoofer designed for professional sound reinforcement. Whether you're handling live events, concert, or large-scale venues, this subwoofer promises deep, punchy bass with low to almost no distortion. Before you continue, you know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring that bell button. In this video, we'll cover the 900 LFC's key features, performance, connectivity, durability, and pricing. Plus, we'll talk about how it integrates with the Meyer Sound's Leopard and Ultra series for a complete sound system. Let's get going. Product overview. Meyer Sound has been a trusted name in the professional audio for decades. The 900 LFC offers the best of their low-frequency control technology. Designed as a smaller and lighter alternative to Meyer's flagship 1100 LFC, the 900 LFC is perfect for scalable systems in venues and theaters, for live music, and even theme parks. Technical details. The LFC 900 is an 18-inch long excursion driver powered by a 3100 watt D-class amplifier. It has a maximum SPL of 133 decibels, enough to fill any large venue with deep, accurate bass. The D-class amplifier ensures energy efficiency, while the self-powered design makes sure the system is easy to set up with fewer external components. This subwoofer is designed to integrate seamlessly into Meyer sound systems, especially when paired with the Leopard line arrays or the Ultra series. You get a frequency response of 32 Hz to 150 Hz. You get one XLR input, one XLR output, and a PowerCon power source in and link throughout. Quality and performance. The 900 LFC excels at delivering clean, distortion-free bass at even high SPLs. The advanced low-frequency control ensures consistent performance across the venue, while its fast, transparent response gives you tight, punchy bass that doesn't feel muddy. Whether flown or ground stacked, this subwoofer adapts to any venue. Versatility and connectivity. The 900 LFC is extremely versatile thanks to its flexible rigging options and quick fly hardware. It can be flown solo, ground stacked, or arrayed with other Meyer Sound products. The cardioid configuration reduces unwanted low-frequency noise on stage, and it integrates seamlessly with other systems from Meyer, such as the Meyer Ultra or the Leo families. Durability and design. Built for the road, the 900 LFC features a multiply birch enclosure with hex-stamped steel grills to protect the drivers. It's durable enough for frequent transport and heavy use for live events and in all weather conditions, and is suitable for outdoor productions. Pricing. At $9,500, the Meyer Sound 900 LFC is an investment for sure, but it's for larger venues and professional applications. It's hard to beat. Meyer Sound recommends pairing it with their Leo or Ultra series loudspeakers for a full range system that delivers unmatched clarity and low frequency power. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Meyer Sound 900 LFC is a beast. It's an industry-leading subwoofer designed for professionals who demand deep and powerful bass with minimal distortion. Whether you're working in live sound, theater, fixed installations, this subwoofer will deliver low-end performance, whatever you need. Have you used the 900 LFC before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, hit that like, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.